This is the tutorial for SolidWorks 2014. In this tutorial I'll be making you familiar with the basic tools and interface of SolidWorks. To start a new file, you can simply click on the new icon or press Ctrl N. They both serve the same function. After that, you will see these three options. First is the part modeling, which is used to design single components. The second is the assembly modeling, which is used to assemble those components. The third is drawing. It is used to make 2D engineering drawings. We start with part modeling. This is the basic interface of SolidWorks. The three main menus that you have: the feature menu, sketch menu, and the surface menu. We'll be dealing with the sketch menu today. And this is the design tree. Whatever steps that you go through while designing a component, they are all listed here. You can edit them, access them from here itself. Now these are the three planes that you have: front plane, top plane, right plane. I'll make them visible. To make them visible, just right click on it and click on show. These are the three planes that we'll be dealing with. And always remember to have your units in GS. Now from here you can select the types of views. Now I'll be sketching on the front plane, so I'll hide the other two. Now to start sketching, you just need to select the plane, right click on it and click on sketch. Before I start, I like to make center lines for reference. Just click on line, center line, infinite length, and that's it. You have your reference point. Now you have the line command. Just click on it. You can draw any figure that you want. To exit the command, just simply press escape. Now you can always edit the dimensions of any figure that you have drawn. Just simply click on it, and on the left side it appears, and you can edit the dimensions. Now you can also use smart dimension tool. Just simply select the line and it tells you its dimensions. You can also edit them here, or you can edit them later. Just simply double click on it and that's it. Now after line you have the circle. Edit their radius, make figures simple. Then you have the arc. There are different types of arc. Center point arc, you choose the center, the radius, and the length of the arc. Then you have the tangent arc. For it you need a point, so I'll make a line. Select the tangent arc here. And then you have the 3-point arc. After that you have the spline tool. But first I'll clear them. We have the spline tool. Now select it, and the spline tool is basically used to make the curve or uneven surfaces. Personally, I like to use the style spline. It's easier to construct than your normal spline. Then you have the ellipse, and you have the slots. There are different types of slots. Three-point arc slot. Then the center point arc slot. Now you have the rectangles. There are different types of rectangles, but first let me clear the workspace. Now there are different types of rectangle. First is the corner rectangle, then you have the center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, three-point center rectangle, and the parallelogram. Now, and then there's the fillet. Fillet is used to smoothen the rough edges, like in rectangle. Select the two faces, you'll have the smooth edge. Simple. Now then there's the trim function. It serves two purposes. First, to trim the entities, and second, to extend them. First I'll show you the trimming part here. Now you can also extend entities here. Then another important feature or tool is the mirror entity tool. First let me clear the workspace, and now mirror entity mirrors or copies the figure that you have selected. I'll make a figure. Now to use the mirror entity command, just click on mirror entity and select the entities that you want to mirror. Then select the reference point that you want the images to be mirrored about. I'll select the center line. They are mirrored about the center line. Then okay, there you have it. Now if you want to move your entities, your figures, you can use the move entities command. Just select the entities that you want to be moved, select the starting point, and there you can move your entities. Then you have the polygon. You can change the number of sides that the polygon has. You can 7, 8, let's take 9. You can increase the number of sides that you want. Now you also have the linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern command. To use the linear sketch pattern tool, first you need to make the pattern, not all but one, so that can be used to copy. Basically it's copying, you can copy them in array 2 by 3, 3 by 4, it's up to you. Select, before selecting linear sketch pattern, let's create one here. Now select linear sketch pattern. You've also selected the entity, then put some space between them, how many times you want it, how many times you want it in X direction and in Y direction. You can reverse the direction. Here, that's okay, that's done. Similarly, if you want something to be mirrored in a circular pattern, then you have the circular sketch pattern. I'll show it to you. I'll make a circle. Now I'll select the circular sketch pattern, then the entity that you want to be mirrored. Now you can have them equally spaced or not, number of times you want them, number of copies that you want. Okay, done. This is your circular sketch pattern. Now you have two more options: offset and convert entities. Now offset is nothing but just simple copying. Just a second, I'll clear them here. Now offset is nothing but just simple copying. Select offset, select the line dimension, done. It's nothing but simple copying. It's basically used to add border. Then you have convert entities. Convert entities is used to when you are in one plane and you want the imprint of the first figure on the plane 1 to be on the plane 2, then you use convert entities. This concludes the sketcher. Next time I'll introduce with the feature toolbar. Till then, if you liked it, then subscribe it. Thank you.